Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to prove some simple trigonometric identities. In particular, we are going to rely on this important diagram that we have here in order to see how trigonometric identities can be developed or proved. Okay, so based on this diagram, we have theta here, and we have the length of x and y, and this is r. So r is obtained by the Pythagoras theorem, which is the square root of x squared plus y squared. And the basic definition is given as such, where sine theta is just opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. And so when you talk about cotangent of theta, it's just the reciprocal of this one. So cotangent of theta is x over y. Tangent of theta is y over x. Cotangent is x over y. So similarly, secant of theta is r over x. Cosecant of theta is r over y. So these are what we call the very basic definitions, and we are going to use that in order to prove some of the simple trigonometric identities. So for example, let's look at the first question here. Prove that this is true. So again, this is the diagram that you can refer to. So this is the length of adjacent, which is x, and this is y, and this is r. Okay, so first of all, we start off with cosine of theta. So from left hand side, so cosine of theta according to the definition is x over r. So I'm going to write down cosine of theta is x over r, and this can actually be written as 1 over r over x. So you can see that 1 over r over x is the same thing as x over r. And what is r over x? R over x, according to the basic definition that you have seen in this previous slide, r over x is secant of theta. So I'm just going to write down r over x is secant of theta, and there you go. I've obtained the left hand side as equal to the right hand side. Okay, cos of theta is equal to 1 over secant of theta. Next, for question B, tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine of theta. Now maybe we can try and demonstrate from the right hand side. Okay, so from the right hand side, we have sine theta over cosine of theta, and the definition here gives you that sine of theta is y over r. So I'm going to write down sine of theta is y over r, and cosine of theta is x over r. So x over r. Next, we can simplify the look of this expression. So we have y over r times r over x. So r can be cancelled, so you have y over x, and y over x, according to the definition, is just tangent of theta. So there you go. Now there are other simple identities that can be proven in this manner, in the manner where you just relying on the basic definitions on this diagram here, very simple diagram. So you can rely on this diagram and prove other identities in the same manner which I have just shown you. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.